Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make a restaurant website in WordPress. I will do step by step procedure. Stay tuned. Step 1, theme installation. In this step I will install the required theme. You have to do the same. In this tutorial I will also show you how to download this theme for free with demo content, and it is provided officially free theme. No one will tell you that such a theme can exist. Okay, now installing the required plugins. Theme is installed, you see. Now I am installing the required plugins. Only two plugins is required to install for the installation. Number one is Gloria Food Menu Ordering Reservations, and the other is One Click Demo Import. After activating these two plugins, I will import demo content. The next step is step 2. First of all I will go to see my home page. My home page is look like this. When I will import home page, and also these two buttons have no URLs. When I import the demo data, you will see that all the home page is well set, and the widgets are placed beautifully on their places. I will extract this zip file, and first I will choose XML file, then I will choose WIE file, then I will choose DAT file. Now I will click on import demo data. This process will not take longer time, or this process will take only 2 to 3 minutes. This is step 2. Okay, demo is going to import. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for further updates from my channel. I will make further videos like these. Now the demo is installed. Go to the home page. Now I will go to the home page to check that how my home page is look like. Scroll down. Now I am going to set the home page. Click on home page setting, a static page. Click on home page. Home page is set. Now go back to the website to see the home page properly. This is our home page. We can see that everything is well mannered and well set. You can change the post, you can change the headings, you can change the restaurant name, you can change the area. Now I will go and see the documentations वगैरह. Home page setting. Now I will check that widgets are properly placed or not. The widgets are properly placed. I will check that each widgets having the same name in the documentation or not. If not, then I will adjust the widget. This widget having the same name, this widget, every widget having the same name. Now moving towards next step, I will edit widgets from customize area. This theme, I will go to customize option. Here I will go to widgets. Here in home page. Now look at this. We are Pronto NY, means New York. We can edit this. Here you can write your area name. You can change this. Below this you can see about us. You can also change this. I can write my restaurant name like Crispy Hub. Click on. Now you can change the description in this, where is the whole text is written. You can also change the picture in the below. Move towards next widget. I will change it to default. This is our next widget, in which we can see that some sections are formed on above these pictures. We can see that best friend deal, buy one get one free, awesome for some. I will add a new option or a new deal for you to check, to show you how to add a new deal on the home page. I can change the order code. You can also change your order code, because this is a deal code. Okay, you can change all these three sections in your own desire. You can change the prices, you can change the descriptions, you can add a new section. Anything you want to do, you can do from the customized area. You don't want to have go to theme panel option. And also, this theme doesn't require any key, because this is provided by the theme developers. I will give in step 3 the link of the theme and the demo content, how to download the demo content. Now I am showing you how to add a new section with these three sections. Now I added a best deal on Friday only. One pizza, one large size pizza, two small size pizza, watch this video thoroughly if you want to have a beautiful website of restaurant with no faults. 30 nuggets, 3 gourmet drinks, 1 liter, and I will suggest the price, fair price. Now you can add more sections below. You can scroll down this customized area to see more options. I will show you how to add more items. Now you can also check that below there it is written promo card number 5. You can add your title, your price, your subtitle, anything. I will suggest the price fairly 80 for all these as an example post. Now I will save this. I will scroll down. Photo gallery, which we saw first in the home page overview. This is our photo gallery. This is catering. You can change this area headings, because this is in custom HTML written. Do not overwrite the code, only change the text which is written inside the code. Okay, if you want to overwrite the code, you need to learn HTML language, HTML and CSS language. Okay, now I am showing how to add heading. Adding right heading here. My English is not good, do not blame me. Now in here you can change the description of that section. Food delivery in NY, New York. I will write I will change the NY to Gambar, Okada, Pakistan, or Okada, Pakistan. This is this heading is going large. I will remove Gambar. food delivery in Okada, Pakistan. You can also change the subtitle, also change the description here, also change the picture which is showing below. This theme is very easy to edit, change with your own desire. I will show you how to edit the footer. Just click on the pencil icon. You will move toward the edit area. Now I will go to check my home page. I will change the color of call to action buttons. Now you can see I will move towards colors. I am showing you the whole options so that you can to satisfy you that all the options are present in customize area. You can change the logo here. You can change the color of the background of buttons, and where the yellow color was, you can change the default colors from here. Now, and you can change the main heading text color from here. As you see, the color is red. I want to see that by changing this heading color all the text are changed or not. Not only heading color is going to change. I want to remain in default. I will left this default. Okay. Now I will publish this. You can see that these are header images which are showing below the main area, main heading. Now you can also change these as a slide. If you want to change the background image into a slider, then you can just comment me. I will show you how to change this background image into a slider. And you saw that I changed the darkness. Now what is that? These are the pictures below the main pictures, and in this picture we add a new section. In this picture we edit the section, and in this picture we edit the heading of NY. After doing all these settings, your website will be ready. I am going to visit my website. Now I did some settings in front of you, which are in front of you. I changed the color, I did customization in the widget areas, and all these widgets and themes are free from this website. Now I will customize footer in front of you. Now click on the pencil but icon, remove this. Click on recent posts and also remove this. Click on useful links and also delete this, remove this. Click on meta, also remove this. Click on archives, also remove this. If you want to add something, click on just add widget. Okay. Now I will publish this because I like this style. Now my home page is ready. Now the next step is to show you how to download this theme for free. Downloading theme for free with demo content. I will give you the theme link in the description. You can go and download this theme for free from this website, Gloria Food. This is also a restaurant website. They made a theme, they created a theme for themselves and they share this theme with all peoples. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for further updates. You can also check my previous videos. That's all. Allah Hafiz.